Okay.
Well, how come you don't have any? Whoa! Looks like the La Loopsies might get spun out of there if they go real quick. Whoa!
Supposed to spin.
Oh, it's supposed to spin? That fast? Uh-oh. You know what that sounds like? When Daddy's screwdriver goes bad. When it runs out of batteries.
And it also sounds like your lawn.
Like my what?
Like your lawnmower.
Oh, my lawnmower don't sound that bad, does it?
Yes.
There's Flower coming to investigate. What is it? Get him, man.
Hey. Hey.
Wow, that one really goes in reverse, don't it? Get him, man. Forward, go forward. Got him. He knows now. When he sees it coming at him, he runs.
I'll go a different direction.